Hi, my name's Ilana Mendels and I'm from VetPrac, where we bring practical skills to practical vets. The Stifle Surgery Rehabilitation one-day workshop will be held in Melbourne this year on April 6th. This workshop will be led by Alana Soltis. She's an incredible Kiwi, so you should join us to learn techniques that are going to get your patients on the road to recovery faster. You will learn about assessing your patient pre-op and post-op, from the digits to the hip and spine, so that their stifle can recover as well as possible. You'll learn mobilisation techniques of all the joints, all the digits, the tarsus, the patella, the hip and the spine, and how to massage and work the muscles for full recovery. You'll also learn about home exercises that your clients can do and how to put that together for them. Then, in a series of practical labs run with live patients, we'll go through these techniques so you can feel confident before you go back into practice. Learn about the 4 stages of rehabilitation for cranial cruciate ligament injury, so your patients can go from recovery to walking and running, progressing well. I hope you can join us for this very important one-day workshop. Click on the link below to find out more. Thank you. Bye.